Hi friends, welcome to Paper Engineers 253. In this video content, I'm going to show you what you will need to make the elevator model and how our elevator model will look like by drawing its picture. Things we will need. Number 1. 7 A4 size paper, but make sure that you have more than 7 papers in case. Number 2. Big and small scale, we will need both. Number 3. Cutter, obviously to cut papers into definite shape. Number 4. Pencil and also eraser. Number 5. Pen nib, it's for rolling paper. Number 6. A bottle of glue for attachment. Number 7. Cos tape or tape for secondary attachment, and also scissors. If you have all these things, we are good to proceed. Now I am going to draw the image of the front door of the elevator. So this is the image of the front door of the elevator.